Samsung lovers have been eagerly waiting for the arrival of Android 15 and One UI 7. After months of waiting, the company has officially confirmed the update, along with its rollout schedule. According to an official press release, the stable One UI 7 update is already available on the Galaxy S23 series. However, as of now, these remain the only Samsung devices running the stable version. While the Galaxy S24 series has had access to One UI 7 since December, it has been limited to a beta release, meaning users may still encounter bugs and have yet to receive a fully stable version. Samsung has now announced that the stable One UI 7 update will begin rolling out to existing Galaxy devices starting April 7th. Over the following weeks, more Samsung phones will receive the update, gradually expanding its availability across the lineup. One of Samsung's latest features won't be making its way to the Galaxy S23 series. The missing feature is Audio Eraser, an AI-powered tool designed to remove background noise from recorded videos. In its latest press release, Samsung confirmed that Audio Eraser will be available on the Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy S24 FE, Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6, and the Galaxy Tab S10 series. However, noticeably absent from the list are the Galaxy S23 lineup and the Galaxy Tab S9 series. The good news? Samsung has assured users that other AI-powered features, including Drawing Assist and Writing Assist, will be available across all Galaxy S23 models, including the S23 FE and the Tab S9 series. Hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome content.